Hello there, this is Suyesh and you are watching Suyesh Tech Tip. In this video, I will be talking about the Vivo 15 and Vivo Y17. Vivo today has announced a price cut of two new smartphones, Vivo 15 and Vivo 17. Last month, the company launched the Vivo V17 with water-dropled notch display and Helio P35. At India, it is priced at 17,990. Vivo Y17 is also most affordable Vivo smartphone with triple camera setup. Now the company further sweetened the deal, announcing the price cut of rupees 2,000. So now the Vivo Y17 is available at the price of 15,990. Just the last month, company announced a discount of 2,000 on the Vivo V15 smartphone along with the Vivo Y17. The company now announced another 2,000 price cut on the Vivo V15. With a total discount of 4,000, V15 is now available at 19,990. Another 20,000 price range, the Vivo V15 is the only smartphone to offer the complete full view display with no notch or bezel. It even comes with pop-up camera and top capturing the selfie. Vivo V15 and Vivo Y17 smartphone now yet available on new price online and offline store. Vivo V15 comes with 6.39 full view AMOLED display with 19.95% screen to body ratio and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Under the hood, it comes with 12 nanometer MediaTek Helio P70 octa-core processor coupled with Mali G72 and GPU. MP3 GPU is packed with 6GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. Talking about the camera, V15 comes with triple camera setup, 12 megapixel, 8 megapixel and 5 megapixel pop-up selfie including 32 megapixel resolution sensor. It is backed up with 4000 mAh battery which support fast charging. Vivo Y17 is having a 6.35 HD plus display powered by P35 processor. It comes with loaded with 4GB RAM and 128 internal storage. It also has a triple camera setup, 13 plus 8 plus 5 2 megapixel, and for the selfie shooter we have 20 megapixel camera on the front, and it has backed with 5000 mAh huge battery. So that was all for today's video. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the like button. Thank you for watching.